Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Najah Marie back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how I went from this to this. And now make sure that you like the video and subscribe, and without further ado, here goes nothing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face with Maybelline's Master Primer, and then next I am using Glossier's concealer in, I think, Deep. So I'm just gonna apply that to the spots that need to be concealed, obviously, like that big pimple near my chin and up around my brows. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Next, I'm going to set the primer and concealer with Maybelline's Fit Me setting powder in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm just going to set all that in to make sure my skin doesn't get oily when I apply the rest of the makeup. Now I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that's in the shade Cappuccino to my face. And I only need a little bit because a little bit goes a very long way, and I put too much. So yeah, I'm going to have a lot of excess left over, but afterwards, I'm applying my contour from that brand that you get from your beauty supply store in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I forgot the name of it. Oh wait, yeah. LA Girl Pro Conceal. That's it. Yeah, I'm applying that as my contour because you need a contour when you're doing stage makeup. And I did not realize that my contour actually, that my contour isn't, it's not dark enough. Great. Next, I'm applying my highlight from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And FYI, when you're applying like stage makeup or doing any kind of Halloween type of makeup, you're going to need to have a highlight and a contour that is maybe, I would say, if not 1 to 2 shades lighter, maybe 1 to 3 shades lighter, so that people who are really far away from you can actually see the dimension in your face, which I completely forgot about as I was applying this. So that's why my face doesn't exactly look like I did too much highlighting and contouring, and it looks more like I just put on regular makeup, and you don't see very much dimension on my face. So just keep that in mind. Oh my god, holy crap, this shit burns. Okay, so this white stuff that's on my face right now is creme makeup, and I completely forgot about my skin being super duper sensitive, so I can't just put anything on my face. So it was literally like burning my skin as I was putting this stuff on. And now I am applying liquid black eyeliner on my nose to get the that shape that a jaguar has on its face. And I would recommend you apply liquid eyeliner for like the details, like the nose and the whiskers and stuff that you'll see later on, and like the actual jaguar spots. And for around your eyes, use something that's not liquid. You know, if your skin is sensitive like mine, and as you can see, like doing this is very taxing on my arms right now, because I'm doing all of this just like one-handed, and this process is just so labor intensive. Oh my god. Oh, this was a bad idea. Next is the clear latex from Ben Nye, which I'm going to be using as like the base for these jaguar spots. And obviously I haven't used this in such a long time that it took me a minute to open the jar. But once you get it open, let me tell you, this stuff stinks. Oh my god, it really stinks. Like, it smells like rotting fish, garbage, rubber, latex. Like, it's not cute at all. Like, it stinks so bad. But before I even begin to apply the clear latex, I have to fill in my spots. So I'm using that same liquid liner that's on my eyes and all over my mouth, on the sides of my face and my forehead to create the jaguar spots, which is like the most fun part about doing this whole look itself, is just drawing the spots, because you just get to make irregular shapes, and it's just like really, really, really fun. And as you can see, I really enjoyed myself. And now it's time for me to put on that disgusting clear latex, and it stinks. Oh my god, it's so gross. But I have to do it to fill in these spots, because I'm going to be applying golden eyeshadow, and I need a sticky base so that the eyeshadow itself can be more pigmented, so that you can actually see the golden spots. And even though it's like clear latex, it's gonna come out pasty and white at first, and then over time it's gonna dry and become clear. So you have to give it time to dry. Otherwise, if you start applying the eyeshadow or whatever other thing you're gonna be applying it on top of the latex, it's just going to be sticky and just a hot mess. So apply the clear latex first, and then let that dry, and then apply whatever it is you're going to put on top of that. That's what I'm doing right now. And if it looks like I'm trying to hurry up and put this stuff on, that's exactly what I'm doing, because the clear latex was literally making me nauseous. So yay. And next, I'm applying my golden eyeshadow, and I forgot what shade that eyeshadow was. I think it was called Twinkle or something like that. And I got this from my local beauty supplies, so obviously, you know, it's not like Urban Decay or nothing like that. But yeah, I'm just filling in the spots where I filled those spaces in with the clear latex. Last but not least, I'm drawing in the whiskers that look really janky right now, because I was really trying to hurry up and finish this look before before I had to hurry up and take it off because the smell from the latex was just too much. But yeah, so once you apply the whiskers, you are done. And this is the final look, the Golden Jaguar look. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later!